Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your order or the size after ordering inside Shein. If you find this video useful, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is just check the order status. So log into your Shein account and go to My Orders to check the status of your order. If the order hasn't been processed or shipped, you may be able to make changes then. But if that is past that stage, you can also move on to step 2. So contact customer service. So use Shein's customer service options such as live chat or email to request a size change. Provide your order number and the new size you want. The third option is to cancel and reorder. So if your order has already been processed or shipped, you might need to cancel the order if it is possible and place a new one with the correct size. Just look for Shein's cancellation policy and they can be found in their facts section. And the last option here is return and exchange. So if you receive the item and it's the wrong size, you can initiate a return or exchange through the Shein's app or website. Follow their return policy instruction to send the item back and reorder the correct size. And also take note, Shein's policy and options for changing orders can vary. So it's best to check with the latest guidelines on their website or contact their customer service for assistance.